So once we've got everything ready, like we've prepared our proxy crystal, we have everything in place, then a nice way to proceed is to text the client and just to send a message. And the way that I do it is I like to begin with a smile and say, ready, call me. And emojis for fun. There we go. And then the client calls me using either FaceTime audio only or WhatsApp audio only or regular cell phone, just to make the call. But you only want to use audio because then I place the phone down and I put it on speakerphone and I have both hands free to do the session. And if I were to put the phone down like this, the person would just be seeing the ceiling up above. And if I put the phone here like this, well, then you can't see everything. So it is much better to use audio only, stay connected, narrate what you're doing, like, okay, let's start with fanning, and then maybe say a little bit, oh, I feel a little bit of bumpiness, or that's smoothing out nicely. Remember to be encouraging, to keep in contact, and you can even chat with your client just the way you would in an in-person session. And your aim is to make a big etheric bubble around the two of you so that you do feel like you are in the same space. And this is easy to do, actually. It seems to happen naturally. And that's the way to get set up for a remote session.